the question will be asked. And recently they made little easier for you. Reason is earlier they used to write 80 marks for theory and 24 marks internal. Now it is 60-40. So scoring good marks is not so difficult, but sincerely you have to put little effort, and it is the order of the day. The basic objective of conducting this HDCM program is, though you may be from different graduation degree you are having, you need to understand the concepts of management, application of management, and how to communicate with people to get the desired result. Whether you study accounts, IT, then law, management, any other subjects, these are all related to management only. Once you grow in the hierarchy, may not be useful to you today, but once you grow in the hierarchy, then if you occupy a higher level position, then all these subjects is going to help you one way or other way. You cannot be a master in, but you must know what is what and how to apply it and how to get it done from different people by knowing the basic concepts. So in that context, this syllabus has been designed. Even if you study 4 engineering, we used to say it's only a symbolic. No. It's a symbolic. You need to learn lot of things. Nowadays, every subject is having its own specialization. Even if you study 10 years, it's not enough. But within a span of 6 months, do you think, are you going to be master? Practically not possible. But you are going to have an exposure for all 13 subjects, and you have got little command over it after 6 months period. That's why I suggest you read the concepts, understand the concepts, and try to relate with the practical issues, and try to deliver the things in an appropriate way, so that your individual efficiency of a person will be improved, and your organization efficiency also is going to be improved. Don't think it is only for the sake of getting one increment. No, that is not our objective. The financial benefit is an indirect benefit for you. We want to make you to the best person in the society. Because of your knowledge input capabilities, you are going to be an asset of the organization, and you are going to deliver the best within a least cost time, within a least amount of time. We need to decrease the inputs and we need to enhance your output. That is the basic objective of undergoing for any management program. In management, we use one terminology called optimization. The concept of optimization is whatever the resource you are using, you reduce the waste, reduce the input cost. Input may be n number of things. It may be men, material, manpower, machinery, electricity, and so many other parameters. But you have to apply the management science and try to reduce the wastage wherever it is possible. Suppose a person design a very good machine with a least energy consumption, then you can imagine how many thousands of people are going to use the same machine. By designing one machine appropriately, he can able to save thousands of kilowatts of energy for the entire country and the community. The same energy can be utilized for different purpose, so that the country will prosper. That's what Sir is just talking about Japanese. See, Japanese are nothing in the year 1945, whatever, 39-45, when the war ended, Second War ended. They bombarded at Hiroshima and Nagasaki using atomic bombs, and they are just nothing,
Zero.
zero. But today you see, Japanese can able to beat Americans in Americans' land by adopting one simple concept in their country in the year 1945, that is Kaizen concept: continuous, steady, and continuous improvement. Continuous, steady, small, and continuous improvement. This is the simple concept they adopted, and they made it as a common thing for all the children's mind. Every child has to think, every child has to apply, every child has to deliver. See, when the group has brought up this kind of a mindset, can you imagine the kind of a transformation is going to take place across the globe, sorry, across the country? That's what they did it. They doesn't have resource. They used to get iron ore from India and so many other countries, process it, giving back to the same country with 100 times, 1000 times cost. They are known for cutting tools. Even a small cutting tool edge, that's a small bit, I can say a few grams, is costing lakhs, thousands. That is the kind of technology they adopted. They doesn't have resource. They used to borrow raw material from other countries. Even from Karnataka, we exported 20 years at a nominal price. I know during Indira Gandhi period, this agreement has been made, and still some portion is still going. But just imagine, see, this is what the power of management, I say. So, what we want is, comparing to other states, Madhya Pradesh state development is not up to the expected level. I just saw the usage of four-wheelers is 5.4% only, comparing to 45 to 46 in Goa. 46% of the people in Goa, that's the richest, if I'm correct.
Yeah,
Just go through the statistics. Punjab. So yours is very less. So you have to generate the income. First, develop the mindset. That's what we are trying to do in this program. That is our objective. Please take it seriously. If you are doing anything casually, it will not deliver any result. My request with all of you is, be serious, be focused, be result oriented. I wish you all the best. If you have any queries, please talk to me.
थैंक यू सर। मैं पार्टिसिपेंट से आग्रह करूंगा कि हम लोग जो है आगे के 5-6 मिनट 8 मिनट तक जो है आपका फीडबैक चाहेंगे, और आपके क्या हम लोगों से अपेक्षाएं हैं और क्या आप लोग और कुछ चाहते हैं, उसके बारे में अपने विचार रखें।
Good morning, sir.
Very
Yes,
good morning.
please, Sharma.
Sir, Neetu Sharma from PCCB Guna.
Okay.
सर ये पता करना था सर, एग्जाम का जो क्राइटेरिया है मार्क्स का, सर 60-40 की रेशियो में डिवाइडेड है क्या?
मैडम, एग्ज़ाम का जो पैटर्न है वो पैटर्न ये है कि टोटल 100 मार्क्स हैं। 100 में 20 मार्क्स का आपका असाइनमेंट है और 60 मार्क्स का आपका पेपर होगा और 20 मार्क्स जो है वो टेस्ट के हैं। इस तरह का कॉम्बिनेशन है हर आपके सब्जेक्ट के लिए।
सर जो टेस्ट रहेगा सर हम लोगों का,
जी
सर वो ऑनलाइन रहेगा या फिर कब से टेस्ट के बारे में बताया जाएगा, कब स्टार्ट हो रहे हैं, कैसा है?
टेस्ट जो है ऑफलाइन।
Actually, we are supposed to conduct test physical mode only.
ऑफलाइन।
Okay, offline. What we are planned is, you are coming for examination, that time about 30 minutes test, then 2 hours
एग्जामिनेशन पे।
सर ये जो आप बता रहे हैं कि ये ऑफलाइन रहेगा, तो सर ICM में रहेगा या फिर?
ICM Bhopal only. You have to come here and to
Okay,
write
sir.
the exam. That we have
ये
briefed it in the
अगर आप
beginning.
टेस्ट लेते हैं तो जी
Yeah,
सर
test also here on the physical mode. Okay, we can conduct quiz. That is possible. But as per the norms of NCCT, test should be conducted physical mode in ICM mode.
सर जो टेस्ट रहेगा वो आईसी में ही रहेगा
जी मैडम, देखिए जितना भी हमारा फिजिकल मोड में काम होगा टेस्ट का, और ख़ासतौर से पेपर्स जो आपके एग्जामिनेशन होंगे वो ICM भोपाल में ही होंगे। उसको हमने ऐसा क्लब करके रखा है कि आपका जो सेमेस्टर का टेस्ट होगा वो एग्जामिनेशन के साथ में हो जाए, तो दैट आपको दोबारा ना आना पड़े। जहाँ तक असाइनमेंट की बात है, असाइनमेंट हम लोग अभी 1-2-3 दिनों में ही अपलोड कर रहे हैं कि आपको असाइनमेंट भेजना है। असाइनमेंट भी आप अपने वहीं पर लिखेंगे और लिखने के बाद में फिजिकल मोड में लिख के हमको आप बाई पोस्ट भेजेंगे।
ओके सर, थैंक यू।
See, actually, all the subject experts will going to give an assignment. You just sit in the home, write comfortably, send it back to us, or keep it with you while coming for your examination. You bring it, and you evaluate, and you will give the marks. That is one thing. Or if you wish to send it by post, you can send it by post. So in order to avoid the postage cost, what I suggest is you can scan your assignment and send it by mail also. But it should be handwritten only by you. Don't take the support of your son, daughter, or relative. No, that is not allowed because we are going to verify your handwriting. It should be written by you only compulsorily. And if you write well, you will get 20 out of 20. That is the advantage. Please take assignments and tests seriously if you want to get distinction or rank in the examination. So your discipline always matters. Yes, any other questions? I want you people to react, please. Any difficulty you are facing in any subject? First semester? They switch on and they are not present, sir. It looks like.
हेलो
हाँ, बोलिए मैडम।
जी सर। सर सेकंड सब्जेक्ट जो है सर उसमें थोड़ी सी डिफिकल्टी आ रही है सर।
Which subject?
सब्जेक्ट का नाम बोलिए।
सब्जेक्ट सर
Cooperative law and administration.
जी,
Cooperative law and administration.
कोऑपरेटिव लॉ में तो जो फैकल्टी है वो प्रैक्टिसिंग फैकल्टी है, ज्वाइंट रजिस्ट्रार साहब आपको पढ़ा रहे हैं। और देखिए लॉ में थोड़ी सी बात आपको ध्यान रखनी होगी कि सेक्शंस वगैरह भी इम्पोर्टेंट हैं और प्रोविजंस जो उसमें दिए गए हैं। से फॉर एग्जांपल आप जैसा मैं आपसे बात कर रहा हूँ कि AGM, अब AGM में उस दिन जो आप लोगों ने मुझसे पूछा था कि मुझे भी खुद आइडिया था कि दो प्रकार की AGM होती है। बाद में हम लोगों ने उसको देखा और जो फैकल्टी हमारी एक्सपर्ट है वो फैकल्टी के बारे में आपको बता दूं कि PS कॉरपोरेशन को भी कोई टेक्निकल या कोई लीगल उनको एडवाइस चाहिए होती है तो वो जोशी साहब को ही रेफ़र करते हैं। और जैसे सेक्शन 48 है, 49 है, 50 है, ये आपको बताती है कि भाई AGM इन सेक्शंस के अंतर्गत है। या सेक्शन 4 की बात करें तो सेक्शन 4 ये कहता है कि जो कॉपरेटिव लॉ हैं वो सेक्शन 4 में डिफ़ाइन किए गए हैं। तो आपको इन सब चीज़ों को सेक्शन 64 है, 64 ये कहती है कि कोई भी विवाद होगा तो वो 64 में जाएगा। 68 ये कहती है कि सेक्शन में अटैचमेंट बिफोर अवार्ड कि लगता है कि कोई आपने 64 में कोई केस दायर किया हुआ है और उसका जो जिससे आपका विवाद है और जो उस प्रॉपर्टी को वो बेच सकता है या वहाँ से हटा सकता है, तो वहाँ पर 68 का प्रोविज़न किया गया है कि यू कैन अप्लाई फॉर 68 अटैचमेंट बिफोर अवार्ड। तो इन सब चीज़ों सेक्शन 84 को आपको देखना पड़ेगा। 84 का जो है 84 का या 85, इन सब चीज़ों को शुरू में आपको लगेगा कि ये थोड़ा क्लिष्ट है, आपको लगेगा कि ये बड़ा बोरिंग है, लेकिन मुझे लगता है कि